The rise of Emma. Emma was a young woman living in a small town. She had big dreams, but very little support. Every day, she woke up at 5 a.m., made herself a cup of tea, and sat by the window watching the sunrise. It was her favorite part of the day. That quiet moment gave her energy and hope. Emma wanted to start her own business. She dreamed of opening a small bakery where she could sell cakes, cookies, and bread. But many people laughed at her. "You don't have money," they said. "You don't have experience. You should get a normal job." But Emma believed in herself. She read books about baking, watched videos, and practiced every day in her tiny kitchen. She failed many times. Her cakes were sometimes too dry, her cookies too hard, but she never gave up. Every failure was a lesson. One day, she took a box of homemade cookies to a local market. She smiled, offered free samples, and said, "Try one and let me know what you think." To her surprise, people loved them. She sold every single cookie. That was the beginning. Emma started going to the market every weekend. Her stall became popular. People came not only for the cookies, but also for her smile, her energy, and her passion. She spoke kindly to everyone, helped other small sellers, and shared tips. Her positivity was contagious. Months passed. Emma saved money and finally rented a small shop in town. She painted the walls bright yellow, put flowers in the windows, and named her bakery Sunrise Bakes, because every good day starts with light. The first weeks were hard. Some days, no one came. But Emma stayed strong. She cleaned the floors, created new recipes, and believed that good things take time. Word spread. People loved the warm feeling of her bakery. It wasn't just about food. It was about energy, joy, and kindness. Years later, Emma became one of the most successful businesswomen in town. When people asked her how she did it, she always said the same thing: start small, work hard, be kind, and never stop believing in your light.